Perhaps the best slogan in the history of cinema belongs to Ridley Scott's film Alien. Will no one in space hear you scream?
This is not just because of the distance from Earth.
There is no sound in space. Because sound needs molecules. Sound travels through waves, and a wave without molecules does not move. Space is silent because it's practically empty. Its density is merely 10 atoms per cubic meter, which is remarkably low compared to the density of our Earth's atmosphere, consisting of millions upon millions of trillions of atoms. In the incomparable density of atoms, propagation of sound is impossible, but billions of years ago the situation was different.